on the White House lawn. Scenes like those held every year on September 11th, of course, in key places across the country. And here in North Texas, several observances were held. For one of them, Boy Scouts in Arlington put up flags in homeowners' yards. About 900 residents participated, and people all across the country, of course, are recognizing and remembering September 11th in their own way.
12 years ago today, our lives changed forever. We all watched in disbelief on September 11th, 2001. The terrorist attacks killed nearly 3,000 people. This morning, North Texans honor those lives lost and the people who tried to save them. NBC5's Jeff Smith is live in Arlington this morning, where at about 30 minutes, Boy Scouts plan to pay tribute in a very special way. Jeff, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, there's a really cool way of showing remembrance and respect here. You can see this shipping container behind me at Lamar High School absolutely packed with American flags. There's 900 flags here, and homeowners in the city of Arlington paid $39 so the Boy Scouts can put up these flags for the day in their front yards. Here's one of the route maps that we have in our hand to show how extensive these routes will be throughout the city of Arlington. Now, the Rotary Club is helping out here. This is one member of the Rotary Club who just got here to help start setting up the flags, loading them up in his truck. This is Admin Bahar with the Rotary Club. He is setting up the flags. Again, 900 people paid to have these flags in their front yard. Now we're going to talk to Admin real quick. Admin Bahar here, who is setting up his flags. Let's talk real quick. I know the Boy Scouts will be here in a few minutes to help deliver these flags to homes across the city. What's the message you hope the city receives, the message you want to share by doing this program?
That we'll never forget this ugly day in American history, and we will always be there and help the community. And we hope our flags stay up, all the way up, all the time.
And let me ask real quickly, I know 900 homeowners paid a lot of money to do this, $39. Where is that money going?
It's going back to the community. We give scholarships to the kids in Lamar. We give money to the libraries, to the feeders of Lamar, the junior high schools and the elementary schools. And then we buy dictionaries to the school, elementary school, third graders. They get dictionary every year.
All right, that's Admin Bahar with the Rotary Club, and he is hard at work, as you can see. Again, the Boy Scouts will be here in a few minutes to get these flags and start delivering them to homes across the city, and we'll be here with them. For now, back to you.
Patriotism in action.
How local kids who were not even alive 12 years ago honor the victims of the September 11th attacks.
Well, rain chances. Well, there's good news. There's other ways that students are going to be observing 9/11 without force. They're doing this voluntarily, and it's going to be happening here outside Lamar High School in about 15 minutes. They're going to be observing 9/11 by literally taking hundreds of flags, American flags that a group of Boy Scouts had stored here at Lamar High School, and then they're going to literally take them to area homes in this neighborhood and plant them in front of folks' front yards. This is all in an effort to raise money for the Arlington North Rotary and also to remember those who were lost on 9/11. We are going to be speaking with members of those Boy Scouts in the North Arlington Rotary in our 6:30 hour. We're going to show you where they're planning this, and we're hopefully going to get the reaction of homeowners who've participated in this to remember those folks who we lost on 9/11. Reporting live in Arlington, Sean Gables, Channel 8 News.
Two planes slammed into the World Trade Center towers, forever changing all of our lives.
And today, schools across the country will observe a moment of silence to remember those who died. Channel 8's Sean Gables is joining us live from Arlington, where these flags are going up. Sean, good morning.
Good morning, Ron. We're on Ascot Court here in Arlington, where members of Boy Scouts Troop 118 are planting these American flags. You can see them. They're about 8 feet tall with a huge flag attached to them. This is all part of an effort to honor those lost on 9/11 and to raise money for North Arlington Rotary. Jamie and Tim Patterson, along with their 3 sons, are participating here in the Park Place subdivision on Ascot Court. It's the only neighborhood in Arlington where single homes have a flag attached and planted in every single one of the yards. This is considered a true success here, Tim, this morning.
Yes, it is. We do this to honor the ones that we lost on 9/11, and it's also a great opportunity for the kids to learn why we honor those at 9/11.
I know that you're going to be planting flags for 6 holidays throughout the year, starting with 9/11 today. Also, Veterans Day is your next holiday. Also, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Columbus, and Flag Day. If there's someone who wants to have a flag planted in their yard, can you give us quick details of how do they do that?
I would say contact your local Rotary Club, and they will be glad to give you the information if that Rotary Club participates in it.
Okay, well, we certainly appreciate your help. We're going to just show you real quickly live, guys, how they set the flags up in the yard. And this is no easy task. It's humid out here. The flags weigh a few pounds each. And for all 900 flags they plan to plant this morning, at the end of the day, before the sun sets, they have to pick up all of these flags and return them to Lamar High School where they're stored for them to do it again starting on Veterans Day. Guys, say good morning. Waving. Good morning. Okay, this is a wonderful way that folks are honoring 9/11. Ron and Izzy, back to you.
All right, they seem wide enough awake for this early hour. Thank you, Sean. Appreciate it.
This morning, hundreds of American flags are flying proudly in front yards across North Texas.
Yeah, it's all thanks to the hard work of some very young men who've had to learn about the September 11th attacks secondhand. NBC5's Jeff Smith has their story.
They started long before the sun came up. Children who were born after 9/11, yet well aware of the day's monumental significance.
It's kind of hard for them to understand. They've seen footage, they've read some of the articles, they know some of the history.
They were on a mission to deliver these 900 American flags to the front yards of houses all across Arlington.
It's also nice to see other people smile when they come out because they notice that the entire neighborhood looks good when the flag's out.
Homeowners paid $39 to have them installed for the day.
It's a good reminder that we should never forget 9/11.
Every penny goes back into the community, funding Boy Scout trips and academic scholarships. It's also an important lesson about what makes us American.
Especially on a day like today, it's just a good reminder of the freedoms that we have.
In Arlington, Jeff Smith, NBC5.
Ground Zero in New York. And Boy Scouts in Arlington put up 900 American flags early this morning to mark that day. It's a fundraiser for the Arlington North Rotary Club. Homeowners can pay $39 a year to have flags set up, then taken down on holidays.
In observance of September 11th, Boy Scouts are now going door to door setting up American flags in Arlington. Homeowners pay $39 to have those flags set up and removed from their yards on national holidays. This is a fundraiser for the Arlington Rotary Club and supports scholarships at Lamar High School. Today, the Boy Scouts are setting up about 900 flags.
It's just nice to put out flags for the people, respecting the people who died. Thousands of people died, so I think it's nice for putting out lots of flags for them.
A lot of these kids are not old enough, weren't even born 9/11, so this helps us teach them too about the events.
The boys woke up early to get all those flags in place before school starts.
In observance of September 11th, Boy Scouts are going door to door setting up American flags in Arlington. Homeowners can pay $39 to have the flags set up and removed from their yards on national holidays. Those scouts were out in uniform before the sun came up. It's a fundraiser for the Arlington North Rotary Club, supports scholarships at Lamar High School. Today, the scouts set up more than 900 flags.
It's just nice to put out flags for the people, respecting the people who died. Thousands of people died, so I think it's nice for putting out lots of flags for them.
A lot of these kids are not old enough, weren't even born 9/11, so this helps us teach them too about the events.
Up early, then back home to have breakfast and off to school for them. Suspect in a...
Here in Arlington, you've probably seen the rows of U.S. flags planted in neighborhood yards. Early this morning, members of Boy Scouts Troop 118 went door to door placing these huge 8-foot flags in people's front lawns. Scouts did it to raise money for the Arlington North Rotary and to help remember those lost on 9/11. More than 900 homeowners signed up.
It makes the neighborhoods look nice with the flags out and everything.
Support the people who died trying to save our lives at 9/11.
I think it's important that all Americans, remember what happened and don't forget the ones that we lost. And two, I think it's a great fundraiser for the Boy Scouts.
Tonight, before the sun sets, the Scouts will take down every single flag and place them back into storage at Lamar High School. The next outing is set for Veterans Day. Homeowners interested in the service can contact their local Rotary. The service costs $39 a year.